Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make satsumaimo no harumaki pie. It's bite-sized sweet potato pies. Instead of puff pastry, I'm using Harumaki spring roll wrapper, so it's a bit healthier with less butter. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need: satsumaimo, Japanese sweet potato, Harumaki wrapper, milk, sugar, butter, and black sesame seeds. It's just random amount of everything. Let's make the filling first. So sweet potato. Let's peel the skin. Cut both ends off. Let's just cut it into small pieces. And release it in cold water, just plain water. After leaving it for 5 minutes, drain the water. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 8 minutes at 600 watts, and the toothpick can easily go through. Let's put some butter, sugar, and mash until it's smooth. I think I want to add a little more sugar. Then some milk, or you can use heavy cream to make it creamy. And the filling is ready. Let's wrap the filling with Harumaki wrapper. I have 10 wrappers here sticking together. Let's cut it into 3. Then separate them. Prepare some melted butter and brush it on one side of the wrapper. Put some filling here. It's about 2 fingers from the bottom. And fold it into triangle shape. Pieces all wrapped, so it's time to bake. So prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper and place them like this. Unlike puff pastry, they don't expand, so no need to leave wide space between pies. Brush some melted butter on top. Put some black sesame. Okay, let's bake them in the preheated oven, 250 degrees Celsius. I baked them for 10 minutes, but please adjust how long to bake to your oven. Very crispy. いただきます。That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.